Hi everyone, we received complimentary Teddy soft baked filled snacks as part of this program, and I have my lovely daughter Tatum right here to tell you all about them.
Hi everyone.
Tatum, what do you have for this healthy snack?
I have Teddy soft baked filled snacks.
Soft baked filled snacks? What are they filled with?
They're filled with either chocolate or vanilla.
Oh, can you show us? That sounds delicious.
Of course.
What's your favorite thing about them? Go ahead, you can show us and tell us your favorite thing about them.
I like that they're super soft. I like that they're easy for you to chew. And I also like the taste. They have a lot of taste in them.
Oh, you're going to take a bite?
Of
I see you already took a bite. Go ahead.
Yeah.
And what's that one filled with?
Chocolate.
What's your favorite thing about snack time?
I like to see what Teddy's soft baked filled snack my mom packs me. I look to see if it's chocolate or vanilla.
Do you want to show the vanilla one too?
Of course. I'll put this one back in its container.
Oh, they look delicious. Are they delicious?
Oh, yum.
Do you have a favorite one or do you like them both?
I didn't get to try this one yet, so I'll see.
Do you have a favorite Teddy soft baked filled snack?
I cannot decide.
Well, I'm glad you like them. I'll let you continue enjoying snack time. Say bye to everyone.
Bye, everyone.